Hi, I'm Avneet from PlanetSpark. Ever heard about the word percentage? Ever heard people comparing that Arav got 65% whereas Ria got 85%? Yes, but how to calculate it? So, in today's video, we'll learn the meaning of percentage. We'll learn to convert percentage to fraction and fraction to percentage, also decimal into percentage and percentage into decimal. Now, what is percentage? The word percent means per hundred. Percentage is the numerator of the fraction with the denominator 100 per 100. If I say Arav has got 87 marks out of 100. Now 87 marks out of 100 means 87 per 100, 87 over 100. This will mean that he has got 87%. So percentage means per 100. To convert a number into percentage, we divide it by 100. Percentage symbol is shown on the screen. Similarly, if I say that RF has got 64% marks, now 64% marks means what? 64% marks means that he has got 64 marks out of 100. Now, this is how we convert a percentage to fraction and fraction to percentage. To convert percentage into fraction, we simply replace the percentage sign and divide it by 100. Whatever my number I'm having, whatever the fraction I'm having, I'll simply divide it by 100 to convert it into percentage. So let's do it with the help of few examples. If I give you the question that you have to express the following as percentage, first part is 20%. 20% will mean 20 upon 100. Just remember to convert percentage to fraction, simply divide by 100. This on the simplest form it will become 1 by 5. 6.5% will be converted as fraction as 6.5 upon 100. If I remove the decimal, it will become 65 upon 1000. Further simplifying it, we'll get 13 over 200. We are reducing it into the simplest forms over here. To convert percentage to fraction, we simply divide by 100. 3 1 by 8 is a mixed fraction converted into improper fraction. It is 25 by 8%. I've converted mixed fraction into improper fraction first. Now we'll divide it by 100. So 25 upon 8 into 100. On further simplifying, we can cancel 25 and 100 and we are left with 1 over 8 into 4, which is 1 upon 32. It's a simple step to convert percentage to fraction, just divided by 100. So 135% will mean 135 over 100. 135 over 100 in the simplest form is 27 over 20, which is a mixed fraction, which is an improper fraction. Let's convert it into mixed fraction. It is 1 upon 7 over 20. Now the next question, let's convert fraction into percentage. Now to convert fraction into percentage, we simply multiply by 100. Remember, to convert percentage to fraction, we were dividing by 100. Now we are going to do the reciprocal of it. To convert fraction into percentage, we'll multiply by 100. Just remember, do these two things. 3 upon 25 into 100 will give me 12%. Again, 7 over 40, 7 upon 40, to convert it into percentage, we'll multiply by 100. So on simplifying, we'll get 7 upon 40, 0 and 0 will get cancelled. Further, after cancellation, I get 35 upon 2. 35 upon 2 is 17.5%. Converting fraction to percentage, we are multiplying by 100. So 1 upon 3 into 100. 1 upon 3 into 100 is going to give us 100 upon 3. 100 upon 3 is again an improper fraction. Converting into mixed fraction, we get 33 upon 1 by 3%. Now let's next convert decimal into percentages. To convert decimal into percentages, first we need to convert decimal to fraction. Everyone knows how to convert decimal to fraction. To convert decimal to fraction, after that we'll convert it into percentage. So we have 0.75. Let's convert it into fraction, that is 75 upon 100. Now to convert into percentage, we multiply by 100. Fraction to percentage is multiplying by 100. So the answer is 75%. 0.026 means 26 upon 1000. I have converted into fraction over here. First step is convert decimal to fraction. After that, multiply by 100. So on simplifying, we get 26 upon 10, which is 2.6%. 0.02 into fraction will become 2 upon 100. To convert it into percentage, we'll multiply by 100. So we get 100 and 100 would get cancelled. We get 2% is the answer. Let's have an application based question of percentages. Anita scored 320 marks out of 400. Rita scored 300 marks out of 360. Whose performance is better? Now, Anita has scored 320 out of 400. 320 is what she scored. 400 was the total marks. So, if I convert it into fraction, Anita's marks will become 320 upon 400. Now 320 upon 400 is a fraction I have got for Anita's score. To convert it into percentage, remember to convert fraction to percentage, we multiply by 100. So 320 divided by 400 would be multiplied by 100. On simplifying, we can cancel the zeros. We are left with 320 divided by 4. 320 divided by 4 is 80%. So Anita has scored 80% marks. Again, now Rita has scored 300 marks out of 360. Now 300 marks out of 360 means the fraction of marks scored by Rita is 300 divided by 360. Now 300 divided by 360, if I have to convert it into percentage, I'll multiply by 100. So 300 upon 360 into 100. Again, by simplifying it, what we're going to get is, we can cancel 0 and 0, and on further simplifications we can cancel 36 and 10 by the table of 2 will get 5 over 18. Further simplifying, I'll get 150 over 9. Further simplifying by table of 3 will get 50 over 3, which is 250 upon 3%. 250 upon 3% can be converted as mixed fraction as 83 1 by 3%. So in this case, we have observed if two fractions are different, how to convert them into percentage. So in today's class, we have understood the meaning of percentage. We converted percentage to fraction and fraction to percentage. Also, we converted percentage to decimal and decimal to percentage and solved the real life problem based questions. This was Avneet from PlanetSpark. Keep learning, keep growing. Don't forget to subscribe. To book your free demo, check the link in the bio or simply type pspark.in in your browser today. Thanks for watching.